Drew's Boost to Drew's Boost Kingdom. Happy New Year, everybody. Yeah. I'm so excited to see you guys here in the new year, child. And one of my New Year's resolutions is going to be more consistent, to build faith, confidence, and dependability between both of us. And I'm gonna be here for y'all. I have a lot to share. Done a lot of growing in the past 2 years, child. And I'm ready to bring you guys a part of that journey. But today, let's make it quick. I want to talk about what I got for Christmas. So the first item, I have to say, I am on my accessory kick right now. I'm loving accessories, as you can see right here, honey. A nice little stack, honey. Some good old rings, pointer fingers, you know. And this happens to be my last, truly my last ever purchase I ever made from an Hermes store. And I will never make another purchase from an Hermes store ever again. But yes, one of my boos, the purse geek, got me into these accessories. I saw him with this and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this item. And it actually went up. The price now is more than when I purchased this. I got this for $307. And now I think they are $330. Actually, I think it's $285. $285 before tax. $285 before tax. Now they're $334 on Hermes after tax. But what I got is, let's do the unboxing. An Hermes ear cuff. So basically, you put it on your ear, and yeah, it's like a little cuff. So, let's look right here. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to pull it up a little higher or a little lower, but here she is. You know, I just think it add a little something to the ear, girl. You know, add a little some spice, a little sexiness, you know, to go with the accessories. I thought it was cute. It's wrapped in Togo leather. Yeah. On to the next. Honey. One of my favorite shoe designers on earth. So what's so crazy is I just so happened to pop in the store. And my essay, I was like, hey, like, because I know they have a long line, especially when they have a sale. They actually had a sale going on. So I hit up my essay, Louis boy, and he was like, yeah, this is probably the best day because it's the last day of the sale. So I purchased these shoes right here. And I have to say, I'm very happy because the original price of these, first off, look at these shoes right here. I think these are so stinking cute, okay? I think these are so cute. What people have told me, actually several of my friends have told me, these look like jellies. You know, if any of you guys know back in the day, honey, what jellies were. They kind of look like jellies because they're shiny, but they're patent leather. And they are this gorgeous white Louboutin sandal. that I can't wait to rock. I think I can rock these both as Drew and Kenya. And I've noticed I don't have a good pair of white sandals. I'm hoping these are gonna be comfortable, but child, we already know what a Louboutin, child. But this do have a little bit of squishiness. I'm telling you, my Hermes Chypre sandals are the most comfortable shoes I own, even more comfortable than Uggs, child. Even more comfortable than Uggs, especially if you get the Shirley ones. Hopefully they'll be more comfortable. These shoes were originally $1,100, okay? And then I purchased them for the last day of the sale. So now they went back up after the day I purchased these, they went up. $350 with tax included. They were $330 something before tax. These were $1,100 before, okay? And I got them for $300, girl. And now they're going back up to like 500 something, maybe 600 something, after the super sale. So I think I did good. I think these shoes are so cute. I cannot wait to rock them, honey. And I love a discount, so the fact that they were on sale is just the best. I didn't post an unboxing of this item. The man I'm dating, my Russian, y'all have seen him on my Insta stories. I'm not gonna show his face on YouTube because that lives on longer, where my Insta stories are only 24 hours. But those of you that have followed my Insta stories have seen us go on several dates. He actually purchased me my first Bottega bag ever. Is this Bottega Jody in the small size. I thought I wanted the medium size, but actually the medium size is just too damn big. And honestly, the small size is perfect. It fits so much. But he purchased this without my knowledge. I told him that I wanted a Jody bag, and I was considering it. At the time, this is the only color they had at the boutique. I really wanted a more neutral color because I don't have like tans or browns or any, I don't have any leather tan bags or brown bags. And I have a lot of Louboutin, you know, whatever, but that's campus. You know, I really wanted something that's quite luxury. I really wanted something that's leather inside and out. And so after he purchased this, I did not think I was gonna be a Jody girl, because I've never owned a hobo bag. And what I love about this hobo bag is that it actually has a little knot, similar to when the hobos carry a little knot tied onto their little stick in their little bag, whatever. So I really like this. This is lambskin. This bag oozes the smell of leather. And I love that they stand behind the product. I could take this bag back for repair or to be replaced if anything happens. I think it's worth the price. It's a handmade bag, completely hand woven. And I think it's gorgeous. So, I really don't love black. So I'm happy that it's for free and that he decided to give this to me. But I decided to go to Bottega myself and purchase my own, which would be the color that I wanted. But the issue was with Bottega is if I spent my money, I'm not getting anything back. So I went into Bottega and looked at the colors they have. The color that I wanted was not in store. And then I was like, you know, let me think about it. And I'm walking out Bottega, and I park close to Bloomingdale's. And I walk through Bloomingdale's, and I see they sell Bottega. And they have the Bottega Jodies. They only have the Bottega Jody teen in store, and I wanted the small. The lady didn't believe that they actually made a small Jody, or, you know, this is not small. I mean, technically, the size is called small Bottega, but she didn't know they made one bigger than the teen. And come to find out, if I purchased at Bloomingdale's, okay, I would, because it's a purchase over $2,000. It came out to 4,300 with tax included. 4,400, something like that, with tax included. I would get $1,000 in store credit with double the points and this, a holiday, whatever. They were gonna give me $1,000 to purchase something else. So I'm like, girl, I can get me some shoes, I can get this. So why would I go to Bottega and just get nothing when I can actually get $1,000? So I actually went with my sales associate at Bloomingdale's. They didn't have the smalls in stock. They ordered it for me, and they had it sent to the South Coast Plaza location, which would be cheaper sales taxes, a 3% cheaper sales tax than like Beverly Hills, whatever. So I saved on the sales tax, having it shipped to the store, and it's more protection because it's liability to them if the bag gets stolen or lost or whatever. And I got $1,000 back that I can spend in store. So the only thing is that the small Jody from Bloomingdale's does not come with a box or whatever, but it's decent. I'm okay with that. So you guys, I got it in this beautiful I forgot what the name of the color, but I call it caramel. But there's a specific name that it is. I'll check on the receipt. But you guys, I got this beautiful Bottega Jody small in this beautiful neutral color. I'm absolutely obsessed. I actually prefer the neutral to the black because I already have a lot of black bags. But I think it's also good to have a black hobo. I also like that the zipper is in this gold color, whereas this one is silver. I cannot wait to wear this in Italy and Capri and, you know, Paris. I'm definitely going to have this be my quiet luxury travel bag because you really don't have to worry about how you pack these because this lambskin is so malleable. You don't have to really worry about it keeping its shape because this bag is not meant to be like, oh, it got to keep its shape. And also, if you stuff it correctly, it will keep its shape. I will do a review, an entire review on what I think about the Jody bag. But honey, I'm here for Bottega, girl. I'm here for Bottega. Surprisingly, this bag is super comfortable because when you see how, compared to a stuffed and not stuffed, it has a big drop, shoulder drop, and I actually can fit this over my shoulder with a trench coat. So I do appreciate that. So you guys, that is all I got for Christmas. I cannot wait to show you more things to come. More items that I've purchased. You guys make sure to follow me on TikTok. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.